Kasi dito sa book, may interesting na sagot mula sa inyo. Pipili lang ako ng tatlo, tapos gusto kong marinig yung side naman ng bawat isa. Hindi kung ano yung binabatong pambabash sa inyo, kung hindi yung pagtatanggol ng bawat isa. Like for example, si James, tatanungin kita kasi meron dito sabi, di sila bagay ni James. Ang sagot ni Nadine is, kayo ba bagay? Anong sagot mo doon, James?
I don't know. Because actually, I didn't want to do that part of the book. Answer
Hindi
to
kayong
the-
sumagot nito?
No, I did, but I didn't want to because in real life I would never answer the bashers. But that was for the sake of just hearing what's in my head.
So ano nga, paano mo, kung ikaw ang tatanungin, pag sinabing hindi kayo bagay ni Nadine, sige, baliktad natin. Paano mo sasagutin?
You don't know what you're talking about?
Dead ma lang.
Yeah.
Ang serious ni James. Tapos meron pa dito, sabi, pangit ng nose ni Nadine, ang laki ng panga niya. Sagot ni Nadine, I love myself. Anong sasabihin mo for Nadine?
I love herself too.
Yung love?
Because I really don't care about that stuff.
Pero James, how do you feel kapag si Nadine yung nababash?
I mean, it happens to all celebrities. There's nothing you can do about it. So
Do you get hurt? Do you get affected?
no.
So wala lang. NR.
Yeah.
Okay na yung dalawang si ayaw yung sagutin. Hindi lang pala siya affected. Kay Nadine na lang. Pag sinasabing may sex scandal yung si James, anong reaction mo?
Parang alam ko naman po lahat, wala naman po.
Sure ka?
Pero but really, tatawaran ko na lang din po yan.
Yung isa pa, hindi naman mahal ni James si Nadine.
Bakit niya alam? Siya ba si James?
Pinatay ng basher sa mic mo.
Pero guys, sa dami ng pinagsamahan nyo sa mga tours nyo, kayo ba yung mood nyo sa isa't isa? Paano nyo na-a-adjust? Of course, may mga days na pagkulang sa tulog, medyo irritated ka, di ba? Paano kayo nag-a-adjust sa mood swings ng isa't isa?
Actually, dati pa sanay na kami sa mood swings and like even 2 years now, especially during like a makeup that time
Yeah,
every day.
until now, meron pa rin po kami parang time.
Me time?
Like,
Me
Yeah,
time,
me time.
parang gano'n naghiwalay po kami. Kahit magkasama po kami, like sa shoot po, pag makeup, ganyan, hindi kami
Makeup.
nag-uusap, gano'n, or pag naka-standby lang. Parang, ano naman po kasi yun eh. I mean, kailangan po talaga.
Parang hindi kayo magkasawaan,
So
gano'n.
really during like hair and makeup, we'll be in our own worlds, our own music, whatever. And then when we're finished, then we get back together. The day starts after hair and makeup.
Pero wala kayong time na nagkukwentuhan kung halimbawa tapos na kayo mag-makeup. Wala kayong time na nagkukwentuhan.
Meron po. Like even on the set, kukwentuhan po. Standby.
At least hindi ba maganda yung ganyan, hindi kayo
Yeah.
magkakasawaan agad.
Meron naman pong time na magkasama kami, pero meron din po talagang time sa me time. Ganon.
Okay. Yung last question ko kasi a few days ago may lumabas na di ba nag-book launching kayo last Sunday. May lumabas na sobrang higpit ng security dahil may death threat daw sa inyong dalawa. Naniniwala kayo na may mga taong nagbabanta sa buhay niyo?
I mean, pwede. Hindi naman po masamang maging safe. naman po masamang, maghigpit yung security.
So, nung narinig niyo yan, anong precautions yung mga ginawa niyo?
I didn't know.
Hindi niyo alam. Ngayon niyo lang nalaman.
Yes.
O, so ngayong alam niyo na, anong gagawin niyo pa para mag-double ba ng security?
I don't. No, not really.
May mga bantay na ba? Kasi si Nadine, di ba, hindi ka sanay na may PA. So ngayon ba may security na?
Well, nandiyan naman po yung mga RMs namin all the time. Ingat na lang po siguro. Maging extra careful na lang po.
And may do's and don'ts ba na bawal mo nang gumimik? Di ba? Yung bawal mo na lumabas. Bawal pumunta sa mall.
Well, now that I know, I guess, yeah, just be extra careful who you with, I guess.
Pero matagal-tagal na rin hindi ka gumigimik, James.
I do every now and then.
Kasi parang wala na lumalabas. Good boy ka na ngayon, no?
Was I a bad boy?
Kasi I mean, yung medyo ano ka na, hindi ka na masyadong gimikero.
Yeah, no, that's true. Especially since we've been so busy. So I needed to stay healthy because I was getting really sick.
So last na lang, bonus question na lang ha. Para sa, sino nakaisip ng title na Team Real?
Actually, we were given choices. Team Real. I forget the other choices. Remember?
Pero marami nga pong choice.
We chose Team Real.
So kayo, yung final decision na sa Team Real.
Yeah.
Kasi baka lang magkaroon ng intriga na yung word kasi na Team Real, baka sabihin para pinamumukha niyo sa iba na hindi sila real.
Parang wala namang ganon ate. Basta sila ay real, hindi real.
I think because before the fans would say it's just real, it's just for real, REEL. So it was really just pertaining to us. We weren't really talking about anyone else.
Tama.
It was really for the fans.
Okay. O, Junardo, Team Real ulit.
Hindi kasi medyo relax na si James kanina, hindi pa masyado relax eh. So, tanong ko na lang, na-overcome mo na ba yung pagiging silosa mo? Kasi ang gwapo ng boyfriend mo.
Well, hindi na naman po kasi pinaparamdam sa akin yun.
Ha?
So, hindi ko naman po nararamdaman.
So, wala kang...
Kasi
So, hindi ka nagsiselos na ikaw, James. Siloso ka ba? Nagsiselos ka ba? Ayaw mo siya magpa-sexy? Ayaw mo bang ibang makakita? Ikaw, naguhubad ka.
Well, when it comes to the sexy thing, I'm just joking sometimes.
Joking.
Other times, totoo.
Kailan ka nagbibiro? Kailan ka totoo?
Sorry.
When are you joking?
I'm joking all the time until it really happens.
Okay.
Then I'll be serious.
O, thank you sa book. Nabasa ko na mahilig kang sa swimming pool.
Mhm.
Anong meron sa pool at paborito mo yun?
I know. I grew up with a swimming pool.
Yeah.
I learned to swim when I was 2-3 years old.
Yeah.
So,
So yung bahay
it's just
mo.
a must-have